Hi everyone, hope you're well. I wanted to give an update today as I know this is a big time for all of us in our own ways. So this is a very calm Brighton beach. Tide is coming in and the wind is just starting to pick up. So the energy at the moment feels like the calm after the storm. We've got the Gemini full moon on Monday morning UK time, and this is around communication. So by now, or like around now, you will have communicated something that you needed to say, and the message is that there's nothing else that you need to do now. Now's time to stop and just let it be. The full moon will bring to a head whatever started around 10 days ago. Something will have developed over this time. And as usual with a full moon, you'll feel the emotions of your situation over the next 3 full moon days. So just feel them, notice them, accept the emotions, and then let Mercury take over. We're just starting today the next Mercury retrograde shadow. It goes into full retrograde in around 2 weeks. But Mercury is going to help things along. So just let Mercury work its magic over the next 8 weeks or so, the full retrograde cycle, and it's going to be bringing things back or bringing things up. It's going to show and reveal things to you that it's time for you to know, and it's going to help you just sort things out, especially unfinished business. It won't bring setbacks. It's more this retrograde about helping to evolve your situation. So I want to show you a rock I found. Just bear with me. I found this rock here on the beach, and when it was wet it looked really translucent, and I think these are the beach rocks that contain a lot of quartz crystal. It's very calming to hold. I've been walking along the beach just holding it for a few hours. So normally I don't take things from nature, but I did ask the beach if it was okay to take this, and it said it doesn't mind at all. Not a problem for the beach. It said if I want to take it and use it for as long as I need and then return it for my own peace of mind, that would be an option, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So just tune into the calming, grounding effect of this rock. Mercury and this Gemini energy of the full moon is very much in our heads. So try and use this to help ground you, bring you out of your head so much, and just calm down. Okay, everyone, take care. Talk again soon.